Well, we were talking last time about the Olmecs a little bit, and what a lot of people don't realize is that the Olmec calendar, those 20-day signs, were not only used for our to number the days and the weeks and the years as we do now. They were also considered to be the journey of the soul, sort of the heroic journey, with the first sign being the sign of conception and the fifth sign being the sign of physical death. And then you have 15 more signs, which cover the soul's journey through the other side, until the 20th sign, which is actually apotheosis or godhood. So it's this 20-step journey, as well as the idea that we're using these on a day-to-day system. So the 20th step is, the 20th sign is, in some languages it's called Lord or deity, or it's called flower, or it's called sun. The flower that's the face of the sun, the sunflower. In Cherokee, that word can also refer to flames. So you've got that imagery, and that's the 20th. That's what we might call apotheosis, or the elevation to godhood. And one thing that occurs in the Cherokee prophecies is that in this coming age, we are supposed to go into something that what the elders in Oklahoma said, that humans will aspire to God. And it was a strange phrase, but aspire to God, which could be understood and aspire to become in better harmony with God, in complete understanding of God, which could also be, things in Cherokee like this are always ambiguous, could aspire to become God or to take over the position of God or to claim absolute divine authority, which could lead to other problems. And one of my friends out there, one of the elders, said they started looking at this much, much more seriously after the human genome was decoded. And they said, oh, wait a minute, now people actually can get their own little Lego set and put together creatures. Wait a minute, this may not be good. This may be what they meant by may aspire to God, may aspire to play God.